Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to see the direct and inverse variation. Already we have seen both direct variation and inverse variation. Otherwise we can say that as direct proportion and inverse proportion, isn't it? We shall see in the understanding book. Okay, before that we shall recall the direct and inverse variation. Okay. First, if 18 books cost rupees 1,170, how much will 25 books cost? Okay, number of books and cost in rupees. Cost in rupees. Okay, that is 18 books rupees 1,170. Okay, we have to calculate for 25 books. That is x. So number of books increases, the cost also increases, isn't it? So it is direct variation. It is direct variation. Okay. Now we have to write. How to write? 18 by 1170 is equal to 25 by x. Okay. Then we have to bring the x this side is equal to the reciprocal of 18 by 1170 is equal to 1170 divided by 18. Okay, 18 is divisible by 6. Here 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7, 9. So this is divisible by 3. So 6 3s are and 3 3s are 9. Remaining 27 is 9 3s are 27. So 0. Then we can divide by 6. 1 times 6 6 are 36, remainder 3, 5 3s are 5 6 are 30. So 25 into 65, 25 into 65 is equal to 5 5s are 25, remainder 2, then 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. So 6 5s are 30, remainder 3, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3, 5. So 1625. Okay. So x is equal to 1625. The cost is equal to answer. The cost is equal to rupees 1625. Then we shall see the second problem. 26 men can do a piece of work in 18 days. If the work is to be completed in 13 days, how many more men needed to be hired? Okay. Number of men. First you have to write as number of men. Then number of days. Okay. Number of men is 26 men, 18 days. Then how many men? 13 days. For 13 days. Okay. So the days decreases, the men increases, isn't it? So it is inverse variation. It is inverse variation. Okay, now you can write this as 26 into 18 is equal to x into 13. So we can write this as 26 into 18 divided by 3 is equal to x. Now we can cancel 26 and 13. 13 ones are, 13 twos are. Then 18 twos are how much? X is equal to 8 twos are 16 6, remainder 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 36. Yes, no. Now the answer is number of men is equal to 36. Okay. Then revision exercise in chapter 8, understanding maths. Okay, understanding maths, revision exercise in chapter 8. So first problem, if x and y vary directly, so it is direct variation. You have to find the missing one. Okay, first it is direct variation means x by y you have to write, isn't it? So x by y is equal to x by 16. Okay. Now you bring this 16 this side. So first one. So x is equal to, keep the x there itself. So you bring this here, this side. Okay. Confuse by 8. Now you can cancel. Isn't it? 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. So x is equal to 2 twos are 4. So first one answer is 4. Then we shall see the second one. Second one you have to see this box. So compare this. Okay. So 4 by 16 is equal to x by 4. Then keep the x there. You bring this 4 this side. 4 into 4 by 16. So you can cancel both. So 4 4s are 16. Here it's a 16. So x is equal to 1. Okay. The second one is 1. We shall see the third one. The third one you have to find this. So you compare these two. So 1 by 4 is equal to 5 by x. Here the x is, y. Here y, isn't it? Y term only you have to find. So here y is in the denominator. So you bring this up. And it will come as y is equal to 5. You bring this cross multiply. Okay. Into 4. So y is equal to 20. Okay. The box it is 20. Y is equal to 20. Then also we have to find again y. So you compare with this. That is for fourth one. 5 by 20 is equal to 6 by y. Okay. You cross multiply. Then y comes here. Okay. Then 5 by 10 comes that side, means the reciprocal. 6 into 20 by 5. Okay. You can cancel 5. 5 4s are, yes, 20. So y is equal to 24. And the last one also we have found as 24. It is 24. Then second sum, second one. If x and y vary inversely. Okay. Inversely means it is inverse variation. So you have to find here 3 y's and 1 x. Okay. So we shall do the first one. 4 into 5. It is inverse variation, means you have to multiply x and y. Is equal to 2 into x. So 4 into 5 divided by 2 is equal to x. So you cancel. So x is equal to, here y y value only you have to find. So you change this to y. So y is equal to 10. Answer is 10. Here 10. Then another one also you have to find the y value only. Second one. Here you have to compare this. So 2 into 10 is equal to 0.2 into y. So you bring this down. So 2 into 10 divided by 0.2 is equal to y. 2 into 10 by 0.2. You can cancel 2. 0.2 into 10 are, yes, 0.2 into 10 are 20. Yes. So 10 into 10 becomes 100. So y is equal to 100. And third one. Third one, here you have found as 100. Isn't it? Third one is 0.2 into 100 is equal to x into 1. So you bring this 1 this side, means it will come to the denominator. So 2 into 100, 0.2 into 100. Means 2 0 0 comes. You have to keep point here. Then the x value is 20. So here you have to write as 20. The next one, fourth one. 20 into 1 is equal to 0.5. Okay. Into y. Okay. Now you bring this 0.5 this side. 20 into 1 by 0.5 is equal to y. So third sum, Meena bought 16 notebooks for rupees 360. Find the cost of 24 notebooks. Okay. Number of notebooks and cost. Notebooks increases, the cost also increases. So it is direct variation. Therefore 16 by 360 is equal to 24 by x. So bring this x this side, and the reciprocal of 16 by 360 is 360 by 16. Now 8 3s are 24 and 8 2s are 16. Again 1 2 is 2, remainder 1, 8 2s are 16, then 0. So 180. 180 3s are 3 zeros are 0, 8 3s are 24, 4, remainder 2, 3 1s are 3, 4 5. Okay, 4 5 40. So x is equal to 540. Therefore answer is the cost of 24 notebooks is equal to 540 rupees 540. Divided by 360, x by y now is equal to 24 by x. So you have to bring this x this side, means this 16 by 360 reciprocal is into 360 by 16. Okay. Now you can cancel. It is 16 and 24. 8 3s are 8 2s are. Then 2, 1 2 is 2, 8 2s are 16, 0. So the answer is 8 0, 180 into 3. So 0, 8 3s are 24, remainder 2, 8 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2. So x is equal to 540 rupees. So answer cost is equal to rupees 540. Yeah. Yes. Okay. The railway fare for a journey of 240 km is 1344. What would be the fare for 500 km long journey? The fare. So the kilometer distance increases, the cost also increases. So it is direct variation. So number of distance. It is distance is equal to distance in kilometer. Okay. Then cost in rupees. Okay. Distance is 240 kilometer, rupees 1344. Then 500 kilometer, rupees we have to find. So we know that distance increases, the cost also increases. So direct variation. Direct variation. Okay. 240 divided by 1344 is equal to 500 divided by x. So x is equal to 500 into 1344 divided by 240. Now gets cancelled. Then here 2 table, by 2 table it is 25. Okay. Then here 2 table it is 12. Now you cancel this. 6 here 6 2s are. Here also 6 2s are. Remainder 1 7. So no remainder 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now 6 table, by 6 table 1 times this is 1 6. Here also 1 6 6. Remainder 1 12 and 2 6 are 4. So 25 into 112. 25 into 112 is equal to 2800. So answer, what is it? Cost cost is equal to rupees 2,800. Now a car travels 132 kilometer in 11 liters of petrol. How far will it travel in 16.5 liters of petrol? 132 kilometer on 11 liters, isn't it, of petrol. How far will it travel on 16.5 liters of petrol? So this is also direct variation, isn't it? So distance, petrol, yes, petrol in liters. Liters. Distance is 132 kilometer. Distance in kilometer, isn't it? So liters 11. Then 16.5 liters. How much distance it will travel? So petrol increases, the distance also increases. So it is direct variation. Direct variation. Okay. Then so 132 divided by 11 is equal to x by 16.5. So you bring this side. So 132 into 16.5 by 11 is equal to x. Now 11 and 132 is, you can cancel, isn't it? So 111 is 11, 111 is 11, minus 222, 12. Okay. So you have to multiply 12 into 16.5. So you have to 5 2s are 10, 0, remainder 1, 2 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13, 3, remainder 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. Then 1 6 5, 1 2, 0 8 9 1. Okay. You have to keep point 1 digit after. So x is equal to 198 kilometer. Answer. Distance is equal to 198 kilometer. Okay. Now we shall see the 7th problem. As 160 men can do a piece of work in 25 days. How many men will be needed to complete the work in 20 days? Okay. Solution. See, here men increases, the days decreases, isn't it? Men decreases, the days increases. So it is inverse variation. Yes, number of men. Here days, number of days. Okay, 160 men, 25 days. Then 20 days, then how much men? That is x. Okay. So it is inverse variation. Inverse variation. Okay. So 160 into 25 is equal to x into 20. So 160 into 25 by 20 is equal to x. So 0 0 is cancelled. Here 8. 25 8s are, then x is equal to 200. Answer. Number of men is equal to 200. Thank you. Have a nice day.